Hi, welcome back to the vlog. I have a little errand day. It's mostly just a Mahina errand day. I have to pick some things up for her. I ate and I got dressed and now we're gonna head out to go to PetSmart. This is from Brandy Melville, literally from when I was in college, I think. JW Pay. All my jewelry is from Dalmata. These pants are Adika and the boots are Lamoda.
Driving around in California, looking for something to make me stay. Round and round forever, searching for something that could never get replaced. Don't need you to save me.
Hi, it's Friday. I wasn't gonna pick up a vlog all day because nothing's happening. I've just been watching movies all day, but then I got a package. I ordered from this Depop. I've ordered from her before. Hopefully it's not broken because the last time it was broken. These green rimmed cups. I got this cute little plate. I was thinking if I had some dip or something. You got it. It's an oyster. But yeah, that's it. I have to meet the sitter I hired to watch Mahina because I don't even think I told you guys. I'm going to Kentucky for 2 weeks to see my friends out there. And I'm so excited. I go like the first 2 weeks of July, so I'm getting a daycare sitter for her. She's wagging her tail and it's hitting her on the side. So she's getting all like annoyed at herself. Hello, welcome back. I know these clips are like everywhere, but I'm on my way to go meet a friend. We're gonna go eat and then go thrifting after.
To allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car.
시간은 흘러 이젠 여기까지 Feels better that we're on a separate ways Our memories faded Sometimes I think of you 너 없이 뭔가
Oh my god, I didn't even vlog while we were together. She just left. We tried to get our dogs to meet and it was a process, so I didn't want to vlog because we were just trying to keep an eye on them. I have an interview tomorrow at 11, so I'm gonna be prepping for that all night. Hi, it's Tuesday. I'm prepping for my interview right now. I always like to write everything down that I want to say. I kind of give myself a mock interview in my head and then I write down my answers. Usually when I get a job interview, I always research the company, research interview questions that are available online. And so I've been prepping for this for about a week, and the morning of the interview, I always just do a quick run through to make sure I know everything and make sure my wording is good. I still have about an hour before my interview, but maybe like 20 minutes before, I'm gonna log into the site that they want to video chat on to make sure everything's working. I'm gonna keep looking through their full job description to make sure I can note all of that down and make sure to incorporate it in my answers to what they're asking. It's just a few more minutes until my interview. I just finished. My interviewer was great, very informative. I don't think it's going to work out though because of the timing. I'm going to Kentucky for 2 weeks, so they seem pretty pressed to have all of July be a training period, and I will not be here and cannot be here. So, love to waste my time. Okay, well, at least I tried. While I was interview prepping, I found another job which actually sounds really fun. It's more aligned with what I want to do, but it's not aligned with my current job skills. I hope they consider me. I'm actually editing a lot faster than I thought I would. I already have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and I just have yesterday and today to look at. But By Humankind so amazingly gifted me another routine set that they have. I'm gonna unbox it. So they sent me their new shower routine set. It comes with So you get the pump the first time you order. So you get these pumps on your initial order, and then you buy aluminum bottle refills to help minimize plastic waste. Love that. Mahina vibes, she approves. Oh my gosh. I was watching their Instagram and I was seeing like all these other people getting theirs, and I'm like, I can't wait to get mine. Oh, one of them dented. That's okay. Okay, let me, oh, they all dented. No. That's okay. So it's their lavender shampoo, eucalyptus conditioner, and tea tree body wash. And me and my boyfriend have been using the same body wash for like 3 months because I've been too lazy to buy my own. So thank you so much, By Humankind. I literally can't wait to use these. OMG. Oh, I love the smell of tea tree oil. I'm gonna do a little Instagram story of this and then put it in my bathroom, and I'm just so excited. I love By Humankind so much. And so does Mahina.